Hello and welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I will show you how to customize audio settings in Windows 11. So the first step is to go to Settings app, click on the Start menu, click on the Settings. In the left pane, click on the System, and here in this list, click on the Sound. Here you can change device for output or input. You can also toggle the volume level for each output or input device. You can turn mono audio or get back to the stereo audio. Here you can troubleshoot some common problems. Here you can see a list of all devices that you can use. And in volume mixer, you can toggle personally for each application device that it will be using and maybe mute or unmute sound and toggle volume level personally for each application. And also there's important button More Sound Settings. If you click on it, you will see advanced sound settings, and here I will not explain every option because it will take a lot of time. So if you have some particular problem, you better Google solution for it in your web browser, and maybe a solution for your problem will lie here in this advanced sound settings. So that's all. If this video was helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, and the most important thing, have a great day.